Are you tired of relying only on word of mouth, hoping the right customers will magically find you, but just don't know how to get clients? I know that feeling. I used to sit at my 9 to 5 banking jobs wondering how on earth can I start a side hustle that will bring in income without sacrificing time for me and my kids. The truth is, word of mouth isn't enough anymore. We need to be where people are looking online. So today's video is exactly what you need. Whether you're a business owner or mompreneur or just getting started, I'm going to show you how digital marketing can transform the way you find customers, grow your income, and yes, even free up more of your time. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to put digital marketing to work for you. And hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips like this to grow your business. Okay, now let me ask you this. When you need something, say like a plumber or a birthday cake or a new pair of shoes, where do you look first? Exactly, online. Now imagine if your business is the first thing that people saw when they search. That's the power of digital marketing. And today I'll break it down step by step so you can see exactly how it works and how it can help your business grow. Point number 1, visibility. Digital marketing puts your business where people are already spending their time on social media, search engines, and email. So instead of hoping customer would walk by your business or call you on the number that was on your flyer, your business shows right up on their phone. So think of it like this. Having no digital marketing is like opening up a business in the middle of the desert. No one even knows you're there. But when you show up online, it's like moving your business to Times Square where thousands of people are walking by daily. I remember when I first set up my profile and my bio correctly, and a friend of mine reached out saying, "Are you doing something new?" And that's when it really hit me. People do really notice what you do when you show up online. And that's exactly why digital marketing is so powerful. That moment gave me confidence. So here's a quick tip for you. Tonight, go check to see if your business will show up on Google if someone were to search for it. Or if you're using social media, make sure to update your bio to show what your business is about. All right, so moving on. Number 2, digital marketing builds relationship. It isn't just about selling. It's about connecting with real people. With tools like social media, emails, newsletters, or even YouTube videos, you're creating trust before the sales ever happen. People don't just buy products. They buy from people who they know, like, and trust. Honestly, some of my favorite messages aren't sales. It's when people comment because of my videos, it gave them the confidence to do this too. That's relationship building when people know you before they buy from you. So here's a mini step. You can probably share a behind the scene photo or video, or maybe your kids helping you with your business. Show the human side of what you do. This will help people to know, like, and trust you. Now, before we head on to point number 3, if all of this feels overwhelming, that's good. That means you're learning something new. But I got you. Just head down to the description below to get access to a free guide, actually a done for you system that will help you learn and earn at the same time, and where you can start seeing real results without the guesswork. All right. Point number 3, it's way more affordable than traditional advertising. I mean, let's be real. TV commercials, billboards, even print ads can cost thousands, and you never really know if anyone is paying attention. With digital marketing, you can run a Facebook or an Instagram ad as little as $5 a day and reach hundreds, even thousands of people who are actually interested in what you offer. See, coming from banking, I've seen small businesses stress over loan payments just to afford traditional ads that didn't even guarantee results. And when I learned that I could test a $5 a day ad and can track my results, it blew my mind. It's like trading in a blindfold to a night Google vision. You can finally see exactly what is happening with your marketing. Point number 4, automation and scalability. This one is a game changer because it gives you back your time. See, once you set up a system like email sequences, automated ads, or a sales funnel, your business keeps running even while you're sleeping, cooking dinner, or spending time with your family. I remember the first time I set up my automated system. I went to bed and I woke up to someone already subscribing. And as a mom, knowing that my business was growing while I was sleeping or making breakfast, it was such a relief. Finally, the last one, point number 5. Digital marketing's level the playfield. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy office to compete anymore. Online, it's not about who has the biggest billboard. It's about who shows up consistently and connects with their audience. I love this one. I've seen small bakeries get more buzz than Starbucks because they post reels of their fresh homemade bread that just came out of the oven. It's proof that authenticity beats big budget. And for me, just showing up as a mom who figured out digital marketing has built me more trust than trying to be perfect. So I want you to think about what makes your business personable and different. Share that online. That makes people root for you over the big guys. So let's do a quick recap. Digital marketing helps business by 1, making you more visible, 2, building trust and responsibility, 3, saving money compared to traditional cost, 4, automation and scaling your business, and the last one allows you to compete with the big brands. And I know this might sound a lot, but trust me, it's doable. Even if you're working a 9 to 5 or juggling with little kids like me, you don't need to do everything at once. Just pick one strategy and start small. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Now, if what you're doing right now isn't giving you the result that you want, head down to the description below to get access to a done-for-you system that will walk you step by step how to be able to do this online. And while you're learning, you're going to be able to earn at the same time. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.